Hello everyone. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to add discount or coupon code in Wix in 2025. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and head to the Wix website. Just search Wix and click on the first link to access the official website. Once you're there, look for the Upgrade Now button. This is where you can explore Wix premium plans. Here's a quick breakdown of what they offer. Business Elite at 48 per month, Business at 27 per month, Core plan at 14 per month, and the Light plan starting at just 9 per month, all in a USD. Pick the plan that fits your needs and click select. Now choose your billing cycle, monthly or yearly, and click continue to checkout. Here's the important part. On the right hand side of the checkout page, you'll see an option that says enter promo code. Click on it, type in your coupon and discount code, and hit apply. That's it. You have successfully added your promo code and unlocked your discount. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit like and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.